Another day's coming in, and you're stuck sitting here wondering, is this the life you wanted and dreamed of every day? People push you around all the time and call you names you really don't like. Don't worry what they have to say, I promise everything will be okay, 'cause you're surrounded by people that